Hello. I've gotten a few questions on how to submit your reading responses and your reflective journals onto the Google Classroom. It's a very simple process. So first what you need to do is go to the Google Classroom site, which is classroom.google.com. Here you'll see our Google class. This is a test class that I created because I can't create a class and be a student in it at the same time. So here's a test class that I created through Google. Obviously yours will say Foundations to Leadership and then the class number and those sorts of things. Here you'll see due Friday. Here's the assignment. So you can already click a link here to the assignment. Or if you prefer, you can go back into the class. You'll be able to find it in the upcoming area here, also another link. You can find it in the stream here, but I'm afraid I post so many things that maybe you won't find it right away. So it might be easiest to go also to classwork. Got it. So here is the link. This will probably say Reflective Journal Week 1 or reading response week 1, something like that. So what you'll do is you click it in here, you click on this, you'll click on view question. You can see right here that it's been assigned to you. And if you need to leave a comment, you can always leave a note right here for me. And you can click in your answer. So what you will all be doing is entering the link from your Google site, your Google website, for where I can find your journal and your reflective journal in your reading response. So you could type something in like sites.google.com/ and then whatever your link is. And then you click turn it in. At this point, I'll be able to see it and receive it. Let's say you realize, oh no, I made a mistake. The link is incorrect or there's a typo. You can click edit answer and then fix it, and then click turn it in. You may not be able to edit your answer after the due date, so you can only edit your answer up until the due date. And for example, in this assignment, it's due August 27 at 5 p.m. To know that you turned it in, it says right here, turned in. It should also be, let's see here. Also, it'll show in your upcoming that you don't have any work due soon, or it'll show other future assignments. So this is basically how you use Google Classroom to submit any work into the assignments area.